how to fix your request was declined as we detected unusual activity on Temu. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To solve this issue, first and foremost, scroll down your notification center. Check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, switch into a cellular data or even turn on your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then turn it back off. After which, go ahead and try to launch your Temu application once again. Follow the same request that you intended to before. If the issue still persists, head back from here. Then, you need to check out your phone settings. Within your phone settings, scroll down and click on Apps. Head over to All Apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Temu. Start off by force stopping your application and OK. Head to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. This will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing the problem. If none of this actually helped, open up your Temu once again. Then click on the U icon and tap on the headset icon. You will reach to your Temu's customer support. Type in the issue that you are dealing with, and hopefully the Temu agent will get back to you with a solution. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.